going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen here on your iPhone device. For example, as you can see here, we do have a screen that sits here whenever you lock your phone, and I'm going to show you how to change and customize your lock screen image that you've got in here. I'm going to show you how to add a custom image. For example, if you wish to add your own picture, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to customize it, and I'm going to show you all the ways of how you can actually change backgrounds. For example, I'm going to show you how you can have multiple backgrounds as well, and just by swiping left or right, you'll be able to change from one background to the other immediately. For example, let's say that you're going to the office, okay? You're going to your workspace and you want to have a specific wallpaper representation that keeps you focused. I'm going to show you how to keep that one. You get back home, you want a different wallpaper here, for example, showing something more casual or informal so you can actually deal with your family members or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related content, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if any of this is of your interest, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, the very first way is the basic simple way of adding a custom image, which is we're gonna hop into photos real quick, and in here you'll be having, for example, a bunch of pictures that you've took or that you have stored within your iPhone device. So first things first, we're gonna select, for example, this picture right here. Tap once on it to maximize or to launch the picture, and next up you simply want to tap here on the share little icon at the left inferior corner of your iPhone device. Next up, what you're gonna do is simply select the option use as wallpaper in here, which is down there. What this essentially will do is it's gonna directly add it to your wallpaper in no time. Now here you can of course pinch the picture if you want to zoom it a bit, okay, or if you simply want to keep it that way, you can customize it or extend it, of course. Now you can also customize in here the watch time, right? You can simply bring it down like this. You can keep it this way, for example, keeping it very minimal, and you can also add widgets in here. You can tap here to add a specific widget. You can select, for example, this widget, which will allow me to know my battery level. Let me remove this one. I inserted two accidentally. You can add ChatGPT, for example. You can add here, let's say, time zone of Cupertino, okay? So we do have all this on my main wallpaper, and I can choose whether I want it to be here at the top or here at the bottom, okay? So this is how you customize the main wallpaper screen. Now you can also remove a few icons in here. I personally have in here my torch. You can also change this. You can remove this. You can add something else in here, like your dark mode selection, turning on or off, or anything else. In my case, I'll be going with my flashlight, as I really find it useful. Whenever I have my phone locked, I go somewhere and I simply want to turn on my torch, I simply press and hold over there. Now if you want to take things to the next level, you can tap in here, for example, where you do have the time, and you can change the font of your time as well to match your background, okay? For example, I'll be going with this one right here. The last one looks pretty sick for me. And then you can also change the color of the text and the widgets, okay? Because what we want to do in here is match or create a contrast according to the profile picture that you've got. In my case, this one right here works much better, okay? This one right here, I'll go with this one, and then keep it a bit softer as it's really harsh. There we go. We do have a combination of two colors, and I'm good to go. You can also go with a simple solid color in here. This one really matches the iPhone 17 Pro orange color. If you have the latest iPhone, this color matches really well. And once you're good to go, just simply tap here and then simply tap on add, and you're good to go. Simply tap set as a wallpaper pair, okay? Now please note that this will be added to both your home screen as well as your screen here whenever you lock your phone. Now you do have, of course, a way of simply adding it to the lock screen if you don't want to add it to the home screen wallpaper, and I'm going to show you how to do it still in today's video. So this is the very first and easiest method of how you can do it. We have the second method where we hop into settings real quick. Next up, we scroll down all the way to wallpaper down here within settings, okay? Regardless of the software model that you've got or the iPhone device that you have, you'll be able to find wallpaper down here. Next up, simply tap on wallpaper wallpaper real quick, and you'll be able to see in here or to manage multiple wallpapers that you've created. Okay, so you can customize each one of them. And here at the top, you'll be able to see a description which says current, which describes the current wallpaper which is set to my iPhone device. So one thing you can do, you can tap on customize if you simply want to customize the lock screen wallpaper. If you want to have something different here and something different on your home screen, you can tap here, and then you can simply, for example, let's tap here, and then you can select a photo from your library. For example, I'll be going with this picture in here for my lock screen. There we go, it's set. But for my lock screen and for your home screen, you can select something different as well. You can change it to something else. I'll be going with this one, for example, just for showcase purposes. Okay, next up, let's tap on done, and you'll be good to go. You'll be having two wallpapers once you tap on done, one for the lock screen and one for the home screen. Usually when you just change the lock screen, it changes both of it. But if you start by changing this one and then you change the second one will only change the second wallpaper. So you can customize further here on settings. Now let's quickly just add a brand new wallpaper. Let's say we do have in here a brand new wallpaper here. You can select, for example, featured suggestions, which are interesting in here, what's trending on iPhone and whatever we have uploaded by artists, we can select in here. Okay, now we do have photo shuffle, which is an option that allows you to select manually a lot of photos. I can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tap on OK, and it will simply keep on shuffle from time to time. Okay, this is also something very interesting that keeps on changing your wallpaper every single day. For example, if you have kids, you love your kids, you can add a picture of each of your kid, and it's gonna simply keep on shuffling from time to time. Next up, we do have emoji. If you want to simply add emojis in here, you can also do the same. You can add a mix of emojis, for example, there's 3 emojis, or you can simply add 1 emoji as well. Okay, next up, you do have color. Okay, if you tap on color, you can simply create color tones, which are gradient tones. Okay, a mix of colors that will be here on your screen. This is another method of creating a different wallpaper. Next up, we do have astronomy as well, which will somehow locate where you are located. It's going to create here a wallpaper according to your location. So it's going to ask you for your geography location. Last but not least, we do have the weather option in here, where you can actually see your wallpaper changing according to the weather that you do have where you are located. If it's a sunny day, it's going to be sunny. If it's raining, it's going to be raining in here as well. Quite interesting, right? As you can see, we do have here down a description which says weather for your current location, which is pretty sunny where I am right now. So you need to turn on location for this to work. Now, this is how easy you can actually customize your wallpaper here. And last but not least, if you want to simply quickly change it, you just need to lock it, okay? Unlock it, position your Face ID, and once you see it unlocked, once your phone is unlocked, you want to press and hold in here, and then you're good to go. You can actually switch from one to other wallpaper, simply tap it and you're good to go. You're rock and roll. You can now do whatever you want. So you can customize each profile according to your preferences, and whenever you wish to switch, simply unlock with Face ID or fingerprint, and once you see the unlock signal over there, press and hold. Because if you simply try to do this before unlocking with Face ID, if it's still locked in the try, it's gonna ask you to unlock to edit. So you need to position your Face ID real quick and then only press and hold for this to work. And from here, you can also create directly a brand new profile, which is what we were checking there on settings. So it's just basically a shortcut pretty much. I hope this video really helped you. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubt. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.